and how much belongs to the owners, stockholders, 410. Or we can also describe is that describe like this, that from this the share of owners in this business 410 and the share of outsiders 770. There are different explanation, right? So can you write it down, the Blue Diamond Corporation accounting equation? We already wrote it down like this, right? So let's see the solution here. So here, assets 360 million. Again, those who didn't understand that. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. This is the accounting information, accounting equation. Just put the values here. So 360s are the assets, plant, property, and equipment. These are the assets. And also the question says other assets, 220 million. So 220 million is here. So how much is the total assets? 1180. Since it's million, so automatically we assume that it's in million. Liabilities, we have 210. And then we have 560. So can we find out the other one? Yes, 410, right? Now, question 2. How much in resources does Blue Diamond Corporation have to work with? How much? Can you answer that?
But we don't know how much it's gonna pay the stockholders.
Do they have to, I think they have to pay the current liabilities, which is 210 first.
Yes,
And
200.
Guys, read this line. We are talking about the company or liabilities or stockholders? And recall our definition of assets. These are economic resources, right?
I think 600 million, right?
Come on, guys, again. How much resources does the Blue Diamond Company have to work with? How many resources? How many assets they have?
1,180.
Right? So this is another way to put the questions to find out that one. Right? See? Now the next question. How much does Blue Diamond Corporation owe to the creditors?
Oh, 770.
Creditors
So-
are outsiders, which means how much among this 1180 belongs to outsiders? 770. Understand?
Yes.
How much of the company's assets do the stockholders actually own? From this, how much they own?
310.
410.
410. Right? Now you understand this accounting equation?
Yeah.
Look at the number here. 1180 is equal to 770 plus 410. These are just numbers, but they are giving you meaningful information that how much this company belongs to the outsiders, how much company belongs to the insider, and what is the total resources or total assets or total worth of the business. Right? Now question arises, do we have the other? No. Now the question arises, is this good or bad? We have 1180, 770. So this business is good or bad? Guys, think about that. Sipade.
Sorry,
Blue dam-
yeah, it's good because the liabilities are less than the assets.
Okay.
Yeah, I think as long as it's making money,
Mm-hmm.
it's good.
Because the question is silent that they are making money or not. We are just basing our analysis based on just these three numbers. So use your bounded, wisdom. Do not go outside this box and just think about that. This is good or bad. The Blue Diamond company is good or bad.
I think it's good.
Jordan says it's good. Minsu,
I think it's good.
good. Aroni,
Is it good?
Chloe, Chloe, are you here? Okay, Ajim.
I want to say good because everyone said good, but also their liabilities are quite high, so I kind of don't know.
No, just give me your answer. What do you think? This is not a test. This is not something. I just want you to participate. Your own analysis. What do you think?
As I said, not an expert, but I feel like their liabilities are quite high,
Mm-hmm.
so maybe not good. I don't
Okay,
know.
you said not good. And then we have Min.
I think it's good.
Junpyo.
I think it's good because it's like the inner part is bigger than the outer part, maybe.
Okay, Misha. Ping Ping.
Probably bad.
Who said bad?
It's Ping Ping.
Yay, someone else thinks like me.
Yeah.
No, who said bad? Who said bad? Min?
Pardon, sir?
Who said it's bad?
It's Ping Ping.
Ping Ping. Okay, okay. Okay, and then Sipade, you said it's good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well done, Ping Ping and Ajim.
Okay, I'm getting emotional. Thank you.
It's bad. Now think about that. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. And business belongs to insiders or outsiders,
Insiders.
which means owners, right? So in this case, you should be worried about that. That major portion of the company is owned by
Outsiders?
outsiders, because we don't have any other information. Like the other said, that depending on as much as you are making money, we don't have any other information, right? So if we don't have any other information, we have to think inside this box, then it's a bad. Business belongs to, so this business belongs to owners, but into this business, if you see the percentage, less than 50% belongs to owners equity. I think it's 40% or maybe 35%. Exactly. How much we can see that 410 divided by 1180. How much? 35%. Close to 35%. So company belongs to owners, and this company, if we take 100%, 65% belongs to outsider and 35% belongs to insider. Now the owners, they should be worried about that, because major chunk of this business can be controlled by
Outsiders.
Outsider. And how they can control? They can demand their money back. They can go to the court and say that, look, dissolve this company, we want our money back. Or maybe you need to pay them 700 in coming year, but you don't have that cash. Your sales are not good, you don't have that cash, right? Then it creates a huge problem for you guys, where you can just find out this 700. If you go for a loan, the bank will analyze that. They will say that, look, you don't have that 700 and we are not going to risk our money. We are not going to lend our money to you. And the ultimate chance is that restructuring, that is the financial terms. The restructuring that you ask the liability, once we have the money, we will give you not the 77, we will give you 1,000 in 2 years. Just wait for 2 years. We call that restructuring the loan or restructuring your debt, right? Or if the outsider, they don't believe you, they go to the court and they say that, look, we want our money. So that is a control. Maybe you see that the business prospect is very nice, very good, and we can be like a good company in coming years, but outsider, you cannot convince them. Since why? Because they own a huge chunk from your business. Now you understand that? So these are just numbers, but they are giving you too much information. That's why I told you,